Hello, welcome to Duke Infotech. Is your computer running slow? Is the performance of your computer very bad? Don't worry, I'm coming to show you how to make your system run faster and have a good performance without installing any third-party software. Only if your hard drive is in good state. Follow me and let's do this together. I'm sure your system performance will change. I'm going to give you 6 steps, only 6 steps to follow so that your system will run faster. Let's do it. First, let's go to run. And type %. Enter. Delete all this. And click Ctrl O. Delete. Okay. First step done. Second step, click on run. Let's click type temp. Enter. Continue. Click in. Ctrl O. Delete. Click in. Continue. Skip. Delete. Skip. Okay. Done. Fresh. Next step. Let's do on run. And type clean mgr or disk cleanup. Type clean mgr or disk cleanup. So let's type clean mgr. Enter. Okay, so click in. Okay, delete. Continue. All these things are good. It will delete all. Fourth step, still on run. And type prefect. Enter. Continue. Click in. Ctrl O. Delete. After these steps, the system will run faster like how it used to be. Okay. Now on the fifth step, anytime you put on your computer, there are many unwanted applications that run on startup. It slows down the system. So before we can do this, let's go to Task Manager and do that. So Task Manager, the task bar, you can right click, Task Manager is there. Or you can go to search tax. Okay, tax manager is there. Click show more. Startup is there. Let's click on startup. These are the items, the applications. These are the apps that anytime I put on my system, it runs, it slows down my system. So before, let's disable all. This one, Microsoft OneDrive, is very high. VM2 score is very high. Windows security low, so we can leave Windows security. And Microsoft Edge not measured, so we can leave that one. So let's go to on Edge. Disable it. To core. Disable it. That's it. You can check on processor. Check anything that the CPU is running high, so you disable it. You check anyone that is running high. Microsoft Content, you can end it. That one too is done. Perfect. So the fifth step, and you go to search and type defrag. You have to defrag our system. Defragment and optimize drives. Sorry. Defragment and optimize drives is there. And you click in. The solid state never runs. That's it. Then you optimize it because it's a VMware. That's why it is like that. So you optimize it. After optimize it, after you optimize it, you close, you restart your system. Bam. So after restarting it, you see the performance of your system. After you reboot it, the performance is very good. That's it. Look, I hope your computer is now faster and the performance is very perfect. Thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay blessed. See you again.